Your filtration expert, so Jiffy, will support you in the maintenance of the filter elements. To carry out a quality professional service, we recommend you have the appropriate tools for the job. Find the fuel filter. Unplug the hoses and identify the fuel filter's connections. Protect the ground from possible spraying. Remove the filter element and the sensor from their location. Before installing the new filter element, it is important to fill it up with fuel. Don't forget to reassemble the sensor. Place the filter in its designated space. Finally, reconnect the hoses and the plugs into the filtering module. Last step, prime the fuel system using the manual pump. Turn on the power if it's an electrical pump. To check the installation, start the engine and make sure that there are no leaks around the filter or the drain plug. Don't forget to put the old filter in its dedicated disposal container. Trust your filtration expert.